we have sell our material to the customer, then customer use the material on, and after few months it got repaired, right? Okay. Then how the customer is going to inform to the organization or the company, the service agent, service company. Like notification is just like an information tool, is like a message only. Nothing would be happen in a notification. Okay. In the notification, the customer is going to maintain about what are the issue in that one. He is just going to maintain the issue. That's it. Okay. So service notification is a very first step that customer is going to create it, notify about the product. Okay. So the service notification is a document created for capturing the complaint from the customer. It's only capturing the complaint. That means information purpose only. In the service notification, we can capture the details like customer serial number and the reason for error. So we only capture this much information only. Okay. And then once we create the notification, then after we are going to create a service
configuration order. Right? I would like to understand the little configuration.
Yeah, this is a configuration.
Okay. Step: create notification type, define number ranges, activate the header and tabs for the notification. Header and item tabs.
Tabs for the notification. What are all the tabs that you want to? And here we can assign it.
Okay,
very first step that we create the notification types, and then because there are different notification types, S1, S2, and S3. Okay. All the notification. So S1, S2, S3. You can remember what are all the standard notifications that we have here. We have 3 S1, S2, and S3. So in this transaction, these are configuration part, like create notification types. First of all, we create it, and then we define the number ranges for this. Then after activate the header and the tabs for the notification. What are the tabs that we want, we can maintain it. And then we are going to maintain the partner procedure for the notification types. Here we are going to assign the partner procedure in the notification type, so that it will be determined automatically.
Okay.
And the catalog creation, like it's like what are the fields or something like catalog means.
Okay.
So this is a path to create the notification type: SPRO, plant maintenance and customer service, maintenance and service processing, maintenance and service notification. And then here you can create the notification. And here notification creation, notification types. So select the standard S3 notification type and click on copy. Yeah, we know that. I mean, how to configure this one. We can copy the existing one and create our own. Then after, in the same path, you could see here define number ranges. Right. And now we can insert like maintain the from and to number ranges. Then we can save it. Right. Then after activating header and tabs for the notification types. Click on the position and select your notification type, and double click on screen areas in a notification header under dialog structure. In the right side of the window, header service notification header in the screen type header field. So basically here we are maintaining what are all the fields that we want in the notification, and what are the tabs we want, main tabs, and what are all the fields that we want in each tab.
Okay.
Understood. See, in some ones do not want to maintain equipment. Some people do not want to maintain a material number. But if you maintain this particular object number 01700170, okay, in the notification header tab, I mean, see, when you're trying to create a notification with a IW51, then it will there would be one default tab, right? It will take you to default tab. Suppose you are creating a sales order. When you enter the sales, when you enter the and press enter, then it will take you the sales tab to enter the line item. There's a default tab we maintain. So likewise, if you maintain 0170 in the object, in the default tab, you will see these three fields: equipment, serial number, and the material. So basically, this is for the arrangement of fields and the tabs. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So and next one is there is one. In the tab header field, you can give your own name for the tab, or you can leave the field name, then standard description will come into the notification, right? So here, if you want to change the tab's name, you can change it, or the default will come into the transaction.
So this notification type should we assign somewhere?
For what? Yes, of course, we have to link this notification type to service orders, definitely.
That's what
Or
my
else
question.
there won't be any link, right?
Right.
Yes, we have to activate it. Maybe that could be in the next steps. Now we are at the point of defining the notification types and assigning a number ranges, and also maintaining the fields and the tabs in the notification.
Okay.
Okay,
Got
we
it.
are at that step. And the catalog, every notification type contains one catalog profile. In the catalog profile, we can assign the catalog. There are different catalogs available in SAP. Like, you know, catalog means
So yeah, I
process.
understand. In the catalog, they mention all kinds of known reasons, known causes, and defect
Yeah,
types.
correct. They want to maintain informations.
Yeah, because it's already mentioned here. So usually, company knows about the types of the defects they may arise. So as soon as
Yes,
the
correct.
customer calls, so service person should be able to select from the catalog based on the
Right,
customer's complaint.
right, correct.
Got it.
Yes, this one. Yeah. So next, the above said catalog. Okay, all right, and
Because why I'm just going little
19.
fast, right? We need to cover a lot of things.
Understood,
So
understood.
yeah,
We have
don't
no
want to
time.
miss the important thing in the last
Yes.
minute.
No, nothing here important. You know, we are good. Like, you know, we create a notification type and number ranges and catalogs. Yeah, and
Yes.
profiles. Yes,
So this
assigning catalog profile to
notification,
notification type.
yeah, there is a S1 and S2, S3 kind of document type. So basically, whenever the customer complains about things, service person will be using this document type to capture the complaint.
Correct.
That's
Correct.
called a notification. Got it.
Yes. It's only we can simply, it's a tool to capture the information, customer complaint information. Right. So here we are assigning a catalog profile to the notification type. So that means everything that we are going to assign into the notification type.
Okay.
Select your notification type, double click on the catalog profile under dialog structure and give the name of the catalog profile and activate the checkbox. Okay, so and the next one, status profile. Status profile is a bit important. There are two type of statuses in a notification: the user status and the system status.
Actually, this question is in my mind. I understand. One is like CRT1 or CRT some status. That's a user status, right?
CRTD created. Yes.
Yeah,
there are two type of statuses. One is a system status and user status. System status would be performed based on the document status that we cannot be changed.
Oh, that means income. I mean, just created or in process or completed. That's a system status.
Yes, the system. Based on the status of the document, system will update the status. This status we call it as a system status. That means there's a based on the document status. If the document is incomplete or maybe the document only created, then we could see the status as CRTD.
But how that will be updated? For example, inquiry is created, quotation is created, sales order is created, right?
These, I mean, maybe we cannot compare it to. We cannot compare it to our SD point of view, maybe, because these many statuses we cannot see in a sales transactions. I mean, these statuses are mainly in a service level, but you know, if
but how the system will
understand?
For example, there are A, B, C, D kind of process, right? So if one person is completed A, and how the system will understand A is completed, because
that's what a system by default says, that we cannot define it and we cannot change it, the system status. So once you create the notification, it will show the status as CRTD created. And once you're assigned the notification to the service order, okay, it will show you ORTD. That means order assigned to the notification. And if you delete the order from the notification, and that status will be removed, ORTD would be removed. That's a default system status that we cannot change it. Even in a sales order,
based on the save option of the last transaction, once the system is saved in the program,
it will update automatically.
Okay, got it. I'm trying to understand wherever the system status is the same, right? So I'm just understand how the system knows. Maybe we can remember what are the statuses in the service. Just like you mentioned.
Yeah, it's like few statuses you can remember. There are few status like a complete service order. I'll explain you in the next sessions. When we're going for the transaction point of view, we can see the system status and user status in detail. Like the user status, we can create our own status for any document with the help of ABAP, or we can use a user status for purpose of workflow, and also with the help of user status we can control subsequent documents. User status that we can create it. And we can update it also. Okay. Yeah, but system status we cannot create it. Yes, user status profile can be created and linked to any SAP transaction, link to any transaction in SAP exists delivery except delivery and billing. Okay, so user status will be created and we can assign it to any document except delivery and billing. In SD module, user status profile are created and assigned to the transaction type and item category. User status profile, but we never use mostly that one. And the steps for creating the status profile. Yeah, this is how we can create a status profile.
Okay.
The transaction is BS02. In here, we can give the status number 10, 20, 30. If you maintain 10, that means initially it by default it will check indicator. You see, if you maintain this indicator, that means initial whenever you create the sales order, the status will be INIT init. Initial. Okay, and next if you do further transactions, that status will be moved to the next one. So that's how we are going to maintain it here. Okay, and next coming to initial status. See here, if you are going to assign multiple statuses to any document, it is mandatory to give one status as an initial status. That means created as an initial status. Suppose that means suppose I maintain it CRTD. That means created, and I check the indicator. That means whenever I create the document, I enter the transaction ID able to 51. So I enter into the main screen of the notification to create it. But system shows here as a created status. Okay. Because that is not yet released. Once we release it, it will show as a released.
Yeah.
Understood, no?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. OS level uninstall. Okay, non-AWS, assign the status profile. Yeah, see, assign the status profile to the notification. Again, we are defining the status profile in this step. Like this, initially the initial status, then under warranty, beyond warranty. Then after, we are assigning the status profile to the notification type.
Are we talking about the system status or the user status?
It's a user status, not a system status.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's the user activity, right? Yeah, sure.
It's a user activity.
Yeah, got it. If it is a document one by one, that's a system status.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, that's a system status. Yeah.
Based on the document of flow, based on the status, then system status will show.
Okay.
Right. So, and then we are assigning partner determination procedure. So, for the notification type only, we are assigning the partner determination procedure. Notification creation and partners define partner determination procedure and partner functions here. And here, as we know that, like it's like also an SD. We are defining partner determination procedure and assigning all the partner functions.
There is no other additional roles, right? Only sold to party, ship to, and bill to payer. That's all, right?
Yeah, that's all. But depends on the company. We can also maintain like a contact person, sales representative.
But it's all standard ones, no customized or no
It's all
additional
standard ones.
no additional CS related partners. That's what I want to.
No additional ones.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
So we're
that's
talking
all depends
basically
on the
about the.
client. If the client is very big one, a few people, nations maintain contact person of the
Yeah.
company or sales employee of the company,
Mhm.
or this also maintains extra.
Okay.
But as a standard,
Uh,
as we know that we'll maintain sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and the payer.
yeah. So this partner should be assigned to the notifications.
Partner determination procedure would be assigned to the notification type.
Notification type as a configuration element.
As a configuration element, yes.
Oh,
So in the
got it.
partner determination procedure, we are going to maintain a partner functions.
Yeah, sure. I understood. The same like how we assign the partner
PDP.
determination procedure to the document type in the SD.
Yes, in
Here
the
we are
customer
assigning
master
the
document.
notification type.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. And next, we are going to assign partner determination procedure to the notification type. In the previous step, we maintained partner determination procedure and assigned to partner functions. Here we are assigning partner determination procedure to the notification type.
Okay.
And then shop papers. Shop papers are nothing but output types.
Okay. Yeah. Understood.
Output types. But most probably I never use these output types. But even I haven't faced any interviews questions on shop papers. But shop papers means it's a different wording compared to SD. Shop papers is nothing but the output types.
Okay. Sure, I understood. So yeah, while we are covering to the topics, whenever you get some interview questions, please be stressed on that.
Yeah, I'm mentioning this. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Next, shop papers is complete format long text. Yes, if you want to maintain a long text like this, you can maintain. It's like a notes. Long text
Text,
means we know
right?
that. And
Standard text.
standard text like notes in the notification we want to maintain notes.
Okay.
Okay, and the priority type, there is one field in a notification type. Let's say like order reason. If you could see order reason in a sales order screen, right? Like order reason, we have a priority type in a notification field. In the overview of the notification type, select the priority type: service priority, favor notification type. Three types of priorities available: high, low, and the medium. A priority type means it's a high priority means will give first preference. Low priority means is later. Looking at the priority, the technicians will be assigned.
Okay. Just like how
And
we
this
handle
is,
the support issues, right?
yeah, that's what exactly. Now we handle the support issues, like high priority. We would give a high priority and we work on that first.
Sure.
Next is a action box. Action box is a concept under service notification which is used for creation subsequent documents automatically. Okay, these service actions provided by the standard SAP. See, suppose this is an important interview question. Through the notification only we are going to create a repair order. There is one interview question. Suppose you are creating a service notification and the interviewer can ask you through the notification, can we create the repair order? Yes, we can create it. But if you there could be one box in the right hand side. If you maintain the action box, you should remember this one. Action box. If you check the action box, then only we can get the option to create the repair order through the notification.
Got it.
If you have not maintained this action box, you cannot create the repair order through the notification.
Okay. Understood.
Okay. Double click on the define follow-up function box. We must maintain checkbox. Okay.
Yeah, I think no need to go in detail of the configuration. High level.
Yeah, this is not in that much. Now activating warranty pop-up the service notification. Warranty.
Yeah, what is this activating warranty pop-up?
There is one checkbox that we define warranty types. Here we can activate the checkbox, then it will pop up the notifications under warranty or like that.
Okay.
And then coming to, so we have completed notification entire configuration. So if you give a quick recap, like we created the notification type, like we have a 3 notification type, S1, S2, and S3. And then after, once we create the notification types, we assign it to the number ranges. And once we are good with the number ranges, then we have assigned this notification types to the header and the item screens, tabs, okay, and the fields. Then after, we have maintained the catalogs and assign the catalog profile to the notification type. Okay, once we are good at the no catalog profile, then we maintain the partner determination procedure and maintain the partner functions in the procedure. Then we assign the procedure to the notification type.
Yeah.
Right, and we also activate the action box to create the repair order through the notification type. And also we maintain the priority types in a if you maintain priority type, that will show in a notification main screen. This is almost done for the notification.
Okay.
There is nothing more than that on the notification.
Yeah, sure.
And the next one would be service orders. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, ignore my daughter.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
గజలకి ఆడుకోకు తీసుకో ఇదొక్కటి తీసుకో దేవుడికి పెట్టరాకు పైన. I want to put it on my head. Okay. Yeah, so they'll continue చేయండి.
Okay, once again, I'm logging my machine.
Okay.
I just want to check my emails. Is there any email? Just give me half a minute. Just 1 minute. I got one email. I have to reply it.
Yeah.